Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to actually open these small quarter panel windows. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so right here on the driver's door you will have like this main power window and mirror switch, but just next to it there will be this small switch, and this is actually the switch for those small windows. So now I will show you how I press this switch. I hope you'll be able to see it. This window will open, so I'll try to zoom it in a bit. That's all you have to do. Now unfortunately you cannot control which one you will open, so when you press this button both sides will open, but still you can do it this way. Some of these vans will have manual windows, so then you will have like a small handle just down there which you have to pull, right? But in this case, if you have power enabled windows, then you will do it using this switch. I will show you from this angle as well. See how it goes. Both sides, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.